everyone, my name is Bria, and if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I have a really cool video for y'all today, so hopefully y'all stay tuned and enjoy it. YouTube, Banartey here, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm taking you guys along with me as I get prepared for college. Just everything, orientation, getting ready for my dorm move-in, stuff like that. So just come along with me. We're gonna have some fun, period, hopefully. But yeah, make sure to stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding this logic. Ay, back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, you only over cause you let him. Girl, I guess you didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the...
Okay. And I'm just gonna start from this end. I have like athletic hoodies, zip-ups, jackets, winter stuff, and my summer stuff. So like this is more like athletic winter stuff, and then this is more like my summer stuff. I'm trying not to pack my winter stuff. I want to pack summer to fall, because Thanksgiving break you can always come back and pack your winter stuff. And I don't want to overpack my clothes because I do know those closets are not really closets, more like shoe closet. Anyways, so we're going to get into, you know, this stuff. Okay, so I feel like I can fold my athletic clothes, so I'm not going to worry about this. Like I said, I'm going to be trying to do summer and fall clothing. I'm trying to steer clear from packing winter clothes just yet. It all depends on space as well. So if it turns out that I do have space for winter clothes, I might pack more than planned, but who knows. See, velvet hangers are just better. Like, this isn't going anywhere. This isn't going anywhere, and that's what we want. Yeah, so for now I'm going to be keeping my clothes still in my closet. I'm not packing just yet, but I did want to do this extra step because I knew it would take me a little minute to figure out replacing hangers and then figure out which clothes for sure I'm gonna take. So I just wanted to get one step done and bring you guys along with me, you know, YouTuber thing.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense, young East African girl.
Okay, y'all, so this is my suitcase I'm taking with me, and I just packed jeans, all my jeans, and then jean shorts in here. So all my like denim is gonna be in here. And I do have another pair of jeans I need to put in here, but those are getting altered right now. So yeah, but it's like so many pairs, but yeah, I'm taking them all. I don't care. I'm taking them all. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so right now I got a duffel bag, and I'm going to be putting all my loungewear, all these sweatpants, and active wear, all of these active leggings, everything like that, in this bin. These are just clothes that I went ahead and changed the hangers on. So yeah, a haul is coming soon on these clothes, so stay tuned for that, queen. But yeah, we're packing stuff into this bag and we're gonna try to get them packed and ready. I do have another duffel bag here. Here is just mostly my summer crop tops, skirts, shorts, stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, so I'm basically done with hanging and organizing the clothes that I'm taking. These little metal things, they like condense your clothes, so like you can stack your clothes on them. They were also in my dorm haul, so if you're interested in that, I do have the Amazon link in the dorm haul. If I have time in this video, I'll try to put that in this video as well, because I really feel like these are gonna be helpful, so hopefully they come through. But yeah, I just packed all my clothes, like, you know what I'm saying, stacked. Business attire or like, I don't know, like job interview, I don't know. Dresses, also some business attire, graphic tees, school shirts, athleisure type shirts, more athleisure, a little bit of zip ups. And this one is a set. I just want to keep them together so I don't lose them, so I always hang them together. And then these are just shirts. But yeah, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be wrapping each section in trash bags and then putting those trash bags in a clothing trunk, which I'll show you guys later on. But I'm going to put them in trash bags just to protect the clothes from anything. You know what I'm saying? The trunk is clean, it's new, but just to protect the clothes. And for none of the hangers or anything to fall out of the divots, if I wrap it up and protect it, hopefully they'll stay like that. So when I take apart the trash bag, so when I'm moving in, I can just pull it out of the trash bag and directly hang it, and I won't have to redo this all over again. So yeah. Some more loungewear that I have, more like hoodies. This is a sweatshirt, and then some lounge shirts. I'm just folding these up because I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put them, because these take up a lot of space, so I don't want to hang them. So yeah. Another duffel. This has my athletic clothes in it, and I fold like this. I don't know if y'all ever seen this before, but this is just what we do at my house. We just fold it in half and then half again, depending if it's pants, and then you just roll it up and then like scram it in there. Folding the other way to make things into a square sometimes takes a lot of space, so by doing this you're able to get like way more around, rather than if you would have just folded in squares, you probably would have got like 6 on 6 on both sides, maybe. So yeah, that's why I fold like that. This is a duffel bag full of athletic clothes and a little bit of loungewear as well. Okay, also in the guest room is where I've been keeping all of my stuff for school. So all my stuff scattered around. Yeah, so it looks pretty packed, but hopefully this isn't too much. I don't want to overpack. Don't get on the sheets, okay? It's the guest room, all right? Relax. Okay, no one's here. Hopefully it's not like too much. I haven't really finished yet, but I don't feel like it's too much, but you never know. But what I'm basically telling myself now is that if I do take too much and I'm like, okay, well, this is too much, I can always give it back to my parents to bring back home. You know what I mean? But if you leave like a lot of your stuff and you take to school like too little, it's going to be a little bit awkward, because the next time you see your parents is like Thanksgiving, and that's like months in between. So yeah, that's my thinking. That's what I keep telling myself to help me. Okay, y'all, so tomorrow is move-in right now. Right now it is about 1 a.m. in the morning, but I'm just trying to make sure I'm packed every single thing. Walking through my room, walking through my bathroom, making sure that I have everything that I need and packed and ready. I'm also starting to move things downstairs as well. So yeah, I'm really excited. As you guys can tell, I did shower earlier. I haven't taken my hair down though, because I don't feel like having y'all all over me right now. So yeah, that's why it's still tucked away. But yeah, probably gonna go to sleep soon, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication saves.
Okay, so this has basically been it for move-in. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the red button down below and the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload, period. And if you have some extra time, feel free to get at me on Instagram. I am more consistent on there. I post daily content on there. So if you're interested in stuff like that, make sure to get at me on Instagram. Yes, I do have my retainers in right now, so I sound a little bit funny. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Guys watching this little come along with me vlog style video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more college content. You can also check me out on Instagram for more daily up-to-date content as well. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.
Love is a guy that thinks he's fine. Also known as a bust down. Always thinking about what he